In Microsoft OneNote, versioning is automatically done. So let's say, for example, I want to revert back into something I did in the past by going on to the history, then I can look at the versioning. In order to do that, I'm going to go into the history tab right here, and here you can see page versioning. So let us go over here, and you can see that there is page versions, delete all page versions, delete all versions in notebook, and so forth, or disable history at all costs. Right now the page versioning is turned on, so I'm going to just click page version, and over here you can see that nothing is displayed right now, but once I click page version, you can see that the history is actually turned on. So right now you can see that these are the changes made by the guest user, and if I want to go to the version of the note which was edited in this state, I can simply click on this and you can see that nothing is there. So this was the status of the notebook in the beginning, and once I click this one, you can see that now these informations were entered, and so forth. These were the changes, and these were something that was added as the time went on. So once I'm happy with the version, I can simply click on a version of my choice. Let's say, for example, I'm going to choose this one, and what I can do is I can simply go over here, and I can actually see this is an older version of the page that will be deleted over here over time. And if I want to restore it into this version, I can simply click here and I can say restore version. So what it does is it creates another version for me, just like that. And if I want to delete the older versions, I can simply click over here and click on delete all versions in the section and press yes, just like that. So all of the versions are getting deleted, as you can see, and the space is getting saved. So it's deleting the page versions. As you can see, it's taking some time, and you can see that the page version has been deleted, just like that. You can turn off all the versionings if you don't want to save any history, but that in case deletes all the versions as well and does not make new versions. But usually I like to keep that on because not much space is taken by OneNote anyways, and versioning really helps you save important information. So I'm just going to cancel that out. So that is how you work with versioning inside of Microsoft OneNote. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.